So we're on the Bally's Hotel and Casino project here in Chicago, and the PERI products on this project are the brand new MPS perimeter protection system and an ACS Core 400 climbing the core, as well as all of the shoring, multi-props, loose frame multiflex, and some high bay PD5 shoring down in the lower tall floors.
My first introduction to the MPS system was when they showed up on a truck, folded up. Most of our high rises have windscreens. This is the first time I've seen the MPS version.
Very user-friendly, very thought out. It's the new system from PERI. Very easy to assemble. It was great. They showed up on a truck, you unfolded them, flipped all the platforms down, and you were setting them. We were able to set 12 in a day, which I thought was pretty significant.
The whole reason you install a perimeter protection system is to keep your job sites safe.
Safety culture at McHugh is strong. I mean, we want to keep all our employees safe. We buy and pay for things like the windscreens to, keep everything protected up top, not only from, winds and stuff like that, but also from the guys decking and stuff like that. They're not exposed to the fall over the side of the building, and to make sure, that we're working smarter, not harder.
It was nice seeing them folded up on the truck. A lot less assembly time for our guys downstairs. We could hang them pretty quickly.
So one of the goals of this new MPS system is that it's fully rentable and modular. So the goal on this project is to take these units off the building, fold them up, ship them back on a truck, store them in our yard already pre-assembled and ready to go to the next job.
I mean, PERI's windscreens have always cycled great. Picks from the top, you can jump it with the crane, you can jump it with the hydraulics, and it goes up pretty smooth.
So with the new adjustable folding platforms, we now attach those platforms directly to the screen elements themselves. Those platforms can be adjusted in depth off the building from 2 feet to 3 feet, and we can also adjust them in height in 5-inch increments.
PERI did a great job. We wanted a little bit more distance on the platforms and stuff like that on the next project. You guys helped make that happen. You guys listened to our feedback and you came back with something a little bit better that's going to make our lives a little easier and safer and a little bit more user-friendly. And I appreciate those things that you guys do for us, right? That's why we use companies like you.
So this is the ideal first project for the brand new MPS system. It's a high-profile, fast-paced job built in a dense urban environment, and it really checks all of the boxes for what our customers need.
PERI's always been super helpful. Engineering's great, timely deliveries. They have the best products in the business.
We truly now have the most flexible, complete, efficient, and safe perimeter protection system on the market.